What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sasha Talia. So today I am super excited. This is actually my second time re-recording my video because the first video I had something in my teeth, so I had to make sure this one nothing in the teeth because that's embarrassing. So if you ever see anything, let me know. We can just laugh about it because shit happens. So yeah, but anyways, I'm really excited because I ended up getting my Boxycharm yesterday for the month of May. So I love Boxycharm because it's only $21 and all the products that you get is over what you paid for. You know, like certain products can be like $28, certain products could be 30, 20 bucks, stuff like that, and it all adds up and you get your money's worth. So I'm gonna go ahead and link down the kind of like the link to Boxycharm. That way if you're interested in getting a subscription, a box to get once a month, then you can do so with that link. Then they also have Boxylux, and Boxylux I want to say is like 50 bucks, so not too bad. It's only quarterly, so you just get a shit ton of products, so that's exciting. So let's go ahead and move on with our Boxycharm for the month of May. So we have our card and it always has our theme of the month, and this theme is Make Waves. So this is really cute. So let's see what we got in our Boxycharm. So let's start off. First thing is Glam Glow, and you guys know Glam Glow is expensive. It can be expensive, so it's great that we get name brand products that you know that you haven't tried before, and you can buy this at Sephora and everything. So this is pretty cool, and all of these are full size, so who doesn't want full size products? Because I know I do. But so we have our Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, and that is what our cleanser looks like, and this goes for $28. Really cute packaging. Go ahead and open it up, and it's cute when you open it. See if it'll focus. It says hello sexy. So this is the product. I'm excited because I want to try this out. We'll try it out tonight. I've never used a bubble cleanser, so that's going to be cool to see how that goes. The next thing we have is the Alamar Cosmetics Color Brush Trio, and this retails for $22. And we did get Alamar Cosmetics in the past with her palette, and I want to say she has, so in the box you could have gotten the lighter shade or a darker shade of blushes, and I believe she had like a smaller palette. I'm pretty sure she had like a smaller palette, but this is what the blushes look like. They are really pretty. Let's go ahead and try this blush out. I'm gonna go ahead and just lift my glasses up because I didn't feel like putting contacts on or anything, so just disregard the glare on my glasses because I can't see, so I need my glasses. But they have Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted, and I'm pretty sure Isla's Island. Correct me if I'm wrong, I should already know this. Pretty sure Isla Island. So let's go in with Seclusion. And these seem really pigmented. I'm just gonna apply just a little bit to the apples of my cheeks. If you guys watch my YouTube videos, you probably know I don't really wear that much blush, but that's because I don't buy it. If I bought it, I probably would use it. I think I only have like 2 blushes, I'm pretty sure, which is sad. So if you're a blush lover, let me know in the comments down below. So that's really pretty. You can build this shade up. I'm just gonna keep it pretty simple. But yeah, I'm excited to use this. It comes with a mirror, so that's convenient. Take that when you're traveling. The next thing that I got is the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. And this is what the packaging looks like. So it looks purpley. Go ahead and swatch that on my hand. That is super, super, super pigmented. So you can see there's like a gold reflect and then there's like a purple. So that's really, really pretty. I think I said this retails for $22. So like, see, all this stuff is just already adding up, and you paid 21 bucks for this box. So you're winning. Like, yeah, you're not wasting your money. So the next thing we also have is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. And this retails for $18. I got the shade Talk is Chic. So this is Dose of Colors. So like a really pinky, rosy shade. And let's go ahead and apply this, because I don't have anything on my lips and my lips are bare. So let's on. And that was one dip. This is what this color looks like. It's very spring, summer, a really, really pretty shade, and a shade that I do not have in my collection. So I'm really happy that I got that in my Boxycharm. And that is $18, because I'm not sure if I already said that or not, but it's $18. And then last but not least is the Mellow Brow Definer. So I'm gonna throw my box on the ground. So Boxycharm's brow stuff sucks sometimes, and let's see if this one is any good. So it has two ends. You have your spoolie. Oh shit, I almost dropped it. And then you have your brow definer. You guys know what the Hourglass foundation stick looks like with that like triangle? This is what that looks like. So let's go ahead and apply to our brows and see what this looks like. And I think this shade is Chocolate. So let's go ahead and apply. Super creamy. The pigment is there. The only thing is, if you have like different color brows, then kind of sucks, because it's not really like a universal shade. So that's the only thing. It's very convenient that it comes with a spoolie. And then this retails for $18. So you definitely get your money's worth. So let me know down below if you guys got your Boxycharm, and if you got something different than what I got. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. Let me know in the comment section down below. I feel like this brow pencil isn't bad. It's very creamy. The only thing is, I think I would only like to use it to like fill in this portion right here where you want it darker. That's the only thing. Of course I would drop that. Let's see how much product comes in here. Nope. So that's how much product comes in this. Not too bad. But yeah, that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm for the month of May. Let me know if you enjoyed this Boxycharm review, unboxing kind of thing. And if you're interested in Boxycharm, I'll go ahead and leave that link down below. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Be sure to subscribe. Don't be a shady lady. subscribe, and then give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.